Hey everybody, what's up? It's your girl Tiffany. If this is your first time here clicking on one of my videos or seeing my face, welcome. If this is not and you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, girl. Today we are going to be doing some makeup. Obviously, I tell you guys all the time, if y'all see me coming on here and I have nothing on my face, I'm fresh, I'm young, I'm youthful. Then you already know we fitting to get beat down, okay? So I'm finally going to be using the ABH and AMREZY palette. I have used it several times. I posted several pictures, but I've never actually done like a dedicated video to it. So this is really not technically a dedicated video to the palette, but I'm using it. It's my first time using it on camera, so here we are. This is what the palette looks like. I'm sure everyone already knows and already familiar with how it looks. But I'm super excited to play some makeup today. I actually have all my stuff laid out for once. I feel like I'm organized. I made sure I went through my drawers and was like, okay, I need this, and this to do my face. So I got this, and this to do my face. So I am ready. I'm prepared, I think I'm prepared. But if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button before we jump into the video. And yeah, if you're excited for this look and to see, you know, whatever I got going on today, then just stay tuned. Waiting for this camera to focus is really killing me. I need somebody to recommend a good lens. Like if you do YouTube, I need y'all to recommend a good lens for me, because I don't know what's going on, why it's going on, how it's going on, but something's going on. I'm not exactly sure what, but something's going on. So I think I'm gonna do my brows today before I do my face. I'm gonna do foundation, then I'm gonna do brows. So I'm gonna take this Touch and Soul No Problem Prime Essence, and I'm gonna put this right, come out right in this area. This feels so freaking good on the skin. Okay, then for primer, I'm going to be taking my Milk Hydro Grip. Y'all already know how I feel about her. 2. Whatever primer I use, I normally put it like on my brows and all that, but this primer I don't, because it's pretty tacky, so I don't want it to be like in my brows doing the most. So I'm gonna color correct. I'm gonna be using my LA Girl. Can y'all see it? Pro Concealer. You don't want to zoom. This is what I'm going to be using to color correct, and this is obviously in orange. And I'm going to place some around my mouth where I have a little bit of darkness because I have a mustache, and I'm gonna put it right here on the side. Whew. Look at that. I'm a little bit brighter now, a little bit brighter. So I'm going to set that with my Fit Me powder. I don't have my skin tone powder right here, so I don't have that to use, but I'm just going to set this before I put my foundation on. Look at that. Oh, this is in 355 Coconut. So the foundation I'm going to be using today is going to be the NARS. Can y'all see it? This is the Naturally Radiant Longwear, and it's in the shade Bellum. Your girl did glitter, like hello. Ooh, I'm obsessed. I have never used the shade that's on my lid, and it's bomb. So let me just prop the palette open and show you guys what colors I'm going to use this one, this one, this one, and this one. Well, that's really so I don't have to keep picking up the palette and showing you guys, because I don't really know how to put the little picture on the palette and like circle the little things. You know, I'm not there quite yet in my editing skills, so I'm going to tell you guys when to do it. So I'm going to prime my eye with a LA Girl Pro Concealer in Creamy Beige. For once, I'm actually bringing the shadow out and kind of like winging it out, but like I'm not doing a wing, but like as y'all can see, the shadow is pretty extended on that side. Let's talk about it. Blend, blend, blend. This is gonna be focused on the outer corner and then in the crease, but not really on the inner part of my eye. Then I'm going to take this NYX glitter primer and cut my crease. So I'm gonna go off camera and pop on these lashes. And then I'll be right back. Okay, my lashes are on and this looks fire. Oh my goodness, I think these are like my new favorite lashes, low key. So I'm gonna be using this Milani Conceal and Perfect. And then I'm going to take this black opal foundation stick. Do I want to do my nose? No, I don't want to do my nose, so I won't do my nose. Then I'm going to take this Beauty Bakery flour powder. Okay, well my powder is setting. I'm going to take this Morphe bronzer in Showmance and pop this on the perimeter of my face and my cheeks and everywhere that I want to be like bronze, contour, all that goodness. So I'm going to take this brush, this is a Morphe brush, and I'm going to swirl the brush in both colors. I haven't used this bronzer in a long time and I am not mad at it. Still a fave, still popping. Okay, so I'm gonna put on my blush too. While I'm waiting, I'm gonna use this Note blush, and it's in the shade Desert Rose. This is it. Okay, I'm gonna take my Fit Me powder to set my face and dust off all of this. Okay, I'm gonna spray my face before I put any liner or anything on, and I'm gonna use the Kokie Fix It Up Matte Setting Spray. Okay, while all this is setting, I'm gonna go ahead and line my under eye. What liner do I want to use? I guess I'll use a brown. This is the Appeal Gel Liner in Deep Taupe. And you already know, I use this all the time. And then I'm just going to mix these, I think these two shades right here. Okay, and then for highlighter, I'm going to take this Artist Couture. Ooh. Ooh, that happened. That really happened. That really absolutely happened. Okay, so liner, definitely going to be a brown. I'm going to take MAC Chestnut. Okay, so I think I'm gonna use this color. This is So Me by MAC, and it's a matte lipstick. Oh. Ooh. Yeah, I'm gonna spray my face again because I got a lot of powder going on. But this is it. So I'm gonna zoom you guys out, spray, and then regroup. First of all, if I do say so myself, I have outdone myself. Okay, I am loving this. I'm loving the glitter. I never use pressed glitters in a palette, but I'm not mad at this. I'm not mad at the blush. I'm not mad at the blend. I'm not mad at my shoulders for looking skinny, period. And this lip with this eye, with this messy bun. I'm kind of that chick right now. I'm kind of that chick. She's kind of that chick. Okay, but this is the finished look. I know you guys saw before I got off camera or whatever, and this is bomb. So if you guys did not subscribe before we got into the video, then make sure you do that right now. And if you didn't give this video a thumbs up yet, you fake, so do that right now. And yeah, comment down below how you like this palette if you have it, how you like this look, because this video was really about, that's tea. But yeah, that's all I got for this video for you guys today. So like I always tell you guys, I'm your girl Tiffany. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video right there.